Hi, as you know, my name is Manasa. My full name is Gadiga Manasa Gaur. I truly believe this quote try and try until you get the success. Coming to my education background, I have graduation in I got aggregate percentage of 80% in my graduation. Coming to my family background, we are five members. My father works in film industry as an agent. My mother is a homemaker, and I have two siblings, one elder one and one younger one. We stay together. Coming to my hobbies, cooking, gardening, and listening to music. Coming to my strength, I'm a self motivated person and have good communication. Why investing bank? As I'm from a finance background, I have much interest in finance and accounting side, which made me to choose this course. Today I'm telling about the topic of what is investment bank. An investment bank is a financial institution that provides a range of service related to raising capital and advising on merger and acquisitions. Unlike commercial banks, which focus on deposit taking and lending to individuals and businesses, investment banks primarily serve corporations, governments, and other large entities. The key functions and service of an investment bank includes underwriting, advisory service, trading and brokerage, market making, research, asset management, private equity, and venture capital. Underwriting is helps companies raise capital by underwriting and issuing securities. This involves buying securities from the issuer and selling them to the public or institutions investors. In advisory services, investment banks offer advices on mergers, acquisitions, instructurings, and restructurings and other significant financial transactions. They help clients access potential deals, value companies, and negotiate terms. Trading and brokerage. In trading and brokerage, investment banks trade securities for their own accounts uh, and on behalf of their clients' brokerage services. They facilitate the buying and selling of stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. In market making, In market making, investment banks provide liquidity to markets by being willing to buy and sell securities at any time. Thus, ensure that there is a market for these securities. Research investment banks conduct extensive research on various industries, companies, and economic trends. This research helps inform their own investment strategies and provide valuable insights to their clients. Asset management. In asset management, many investment banks have asset management divisions that manage investments of individuals and institutions range of offering a range of investments products such as mutual funds and pension funds, private equity and venture capital. In investment banks often invest in private companies either through direct investments, private equity, or by providing funding to startup and early stage company. Private the buy side comprises firms and professional who buy investment products and services provided by the sell side. Buy side entities manage portfolios, portfolios, portfolios and make investment decisions aimed to growing assets under management. Their primary activities include asset management, institutional investors, private equity, venture and venture capital, uh, proprietary trading. In asset management, managing mutual funds, pension funds, hedge funds, and other investment vehicles, making investment decisions to maximize for clients, institutional investors, managing large-scale investment for entities like pension funds, insurance companies, endowments, and sovereign health funds, private equity, and venture capital. Investing in private companies either through direct buyouts, private equity, or by funding startup and early stage companies, venture capital. Private proprietary trading. Some buy-side firm engage in proprietary trading using their own capital to trade financial instruments for uh, profits. Example of buy-side institutions: BlackRock, BlackRock, Fidelity Institutions, Bridgewater Associates, the Vanguard Group. What is the role of the the sell side facilitate transactions, provide liquidity, and offers financial services who while the buy side make investment decisions and manage portfolio. Fo- the sell side focuses on generating commissions, fees, and underwriting revenue, whereas the buy side aims to investment returns and grow AUM. Clients in buy side. Sell side clients includes both institutionals and retail investors, while buy side clients are primarily institutions, investors, and high net worth individual. Coming to sell side, the sell side includes firms and professionals that creates, promotes, and sell financial products and services to the buy side. Sell side entity entities primarily focus on the following activities: investment banking services, sales and trading, research, brokerage services, underwriting securities offering IPOs and bonds issuance, advising on mergers and acquisitions M&A, structuring financial deals, sales and trading, selling financial products, stocks, bonds, derivatives to institutional and retail investors, providing market making service to ensure liquidity in the market, research producing and distributing financing assets, research report on companies, industries, and market trends, offering offering investment recommendations to the clients, brokerage services, acting as intermediate for clients, executing trade on the behalf of their behalf. Examples of sell-side institutions: Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan Chase. The role of sell side. The role of sell side. The main role of sell side facilitate transaction, provides liquidity, and offers financial services, while the buy side makes investment decisions and manage portfolios. Focus. The sell side focuses on generating commissions, fees, and underwriting revenue, whereas the buy side aims to achieve investment returns and grow AUM. Clients. Sell-side clients includes both institutions and retail investors, while buy-side clients are primarily institutional and high net worth individuals. This is This is all about what is investing bank and buy side and sell side of investment bank. Any questions, Shiva?